not bad.
So I would like a latte this morning.
Latte?
Oh yes, whole milk's fine. We might have switched stands. We're not.
Like a vanilla caramel, something sweet? Or
Nope.
is it no?
Nope, no sweet.
I'll have a flat white.
Black, white, and latte.
Yep.
That's it?
Oh,
I
put it on
this.
here. Yeah.
Yeah.
It'll be on this side.
Thank you. You can pick up. But this is sushi, isn't it?
No, that's fruit. That's fruit for sure. Oh, mixed fruit.
Oh, mixed.
Tropico Bento. Bento?
Tropical bento. Okay. Well, that's what I didn't know.
Yeah. And then, right, and look at this over here. They have the soda dispenser, right? So for those who are soda drinkers, they have Coke products on tap.
Oh, that's great. A lot of people, a lot of cruise ships don't.
I've never seen one,
Yeah.
and it's not a special cup.
Yeah, they got your regular things and then they got your free sodas. That's really nice. I've never seen that.
Yep, first for me.
Oh, there's no free water fill-ups. So
I see this all over the ship.
yeah, so all over the ship they have these free water fill-ups, so you can don't have to worry about buying water.
And the water's good.
So we found this little quiet spot at the back of the ship. There's a hot tub over there. I think there's another one over there. There's a little dipping pool right there. And lots of places for people to hang out that's not around the main pool, which is maybe a little bit quieter. Kind of considered an adult pool, even though it's only adults here. But we're going to call this
Well, there's adults and then maybe less than adults.
Yeah, so we'll call this the adult pool.
So this is the fish tank elevator. Come on, baby. Come on. Jackpot. Oh, so 5X.
There's your prize multiplier.
Oh, fortune. Spin, baby. Up above. $500. Come on, baby. Oh, 30.
Fantastic.
How much did you win?
We hope to see you back here real soon.
Only $294. All right, here we go.
Your prize multiplier.
Great. Here we go. Big money, big money. 100.
Congratulations.
Is that $500?
Nice.
What?
No.
What? I know
Oh, it is.
it's 5 times.
$500.
Oh my goodness. Woo!
Great job.
Good job.
Woo!
And we quit. Last time we were $300. So we're up $800 now.
We hope to see you back here real soon.
Nice job, Paul.
Good job.
Right? Woo!
Okay, it's time to add up our winnings.
So we just went to the casino literally for 10 minutes.
And one again.
And won again.
Okay, wait, this is all about this.
So this is what we won this time. Tell them what we won this time.
Okay, so 10 minutes ago,
Yeah.
we went to the casino with, well, obviously $300.
Yep.
We turned this one into 201.
Yep.
So these represent $100 bills. This one we
Oh,
turned.
we lost.
Oh, this one we turned a $100 bill into $32.
Yep. So that's minus 70. Wait. So that's up right now. We're up 100. Well, wait. This was 200. That's 232. So right now this is only up 32. Yeah, because this was 100
That's right.
and this was 100. So this is only $32.
So this $100 bill was turned into $529. Yay! And then last night, this one just broke even. This $100 bill turned into a $100 bill and 62 cents.
Yeah.
This one though turned into $300 or 301, and this $100 bill turned into $190.
Oh my God.
So what's our winnings?
Another 200.
$751.
$751. We won.
Woo!
I told you we always win when we come to the casinos. I don't know why. We are just one of those lucky people.
On fire.
Yeah. So our cruises are always cheap. Last cruise, the Norwegian, we didn't have a casino in the last cruise, so that always makes cruises more expensive for us.
All right.
When we don't have a casino we can win at. And this time so the Norwegian was the first one. We run about $1,000 on that one.
Yep.
And we run $750 on this one. We are now officially done gambling.
Yep. That's it.
That's it. We
Made
won.
our money now. We can
We
go
walk
play.
away. Yep. We don't go back again. Even though it's tempting, you're like, oh, we could win some more.
Yeah.
We almost never do. So
So they don't get us.
Yeah. Okay.
Stuck it to the man.
we walk away winners.
All
Okay.
right.
Let's go find lunch.
Okay, let's go.
Right. So onboard Virgin Voyages, they have a puzzle contest. So you can see all these different tables down the line here are all playing the puzzle game.
And it's a serious
They're moving fast.
What is this place?
We can look at the menu. We can sit right over here. There's the menu.
It's like tapas?
Here. We can put the thing up there, maybe.
Okay, so we are in the dock house.
The dock house.
Oh, okay. And
And it has little tapas and drinks, and it's very quiet.
which looks good. So this
Kind
is
of
a
escape.
included
Yeah.
thing. So you're not
Good
paying
to know.
extra at this one.
Yep.
They have grilled shrimp, goat cheese, polenta, Spanish octopus. We might be coming back here to eat.
We can eat here right now.
Fire roasted chicken thigh,
Yeah, we'll see you
hanger
right
steak.
now.
Hello.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Great.
I would like the goat cheese polenta.
Okay.
And I'm gonna try the grilled shrimp and the hanger steak.
Hanger steak. Polenta, shrimp, hanger steak.
Yep. And do you want a beer?
Any allergy for
No.
the food?
Nope.
Nope. Oh no, not the grilled shrimp. I'm sorry, the octopus. I was wrong.
It's alright.
You get shrimp anyway.
Something to drink?
Do you want to? I'm okay right now. He's doing tequila tasting in another.
Ah, okay. Take it easy.
That's
Relax.
what I
Take-
told him.
Take it
It's
easy.
just too much. Yeah.
That's what I said. And I told him he better have some food in his stomach.
Yeah, take it.
Some water.
It's too strong.
Yeah.
Take it.
Okay. Thank
Mystical,
you.
yeah.
Thank
He's
you for
been there and
telling
done
us
that. I mean, obviously.
Perfect.
And the octopus.
Yep. Was perfect.
There we go.
Thank you.
Perfect. Thank you.
lot about tequila and how do you say it?
Mezcal.
Okay, so
Mezcal.
okay, he doesn't know either. So
It's
we're going to
mezcal.
hear the difference between them and why they're different things. So let's do some tequila
Yeah.
tasting.
Those alcoholic journeys here at Virgin Voyages. If you see me, there's a hangover to follow. There you go. So I apologize. My name is Ryan. I'm the foodie. I'm a part of the happenings crew here on board. I deal with all things food and drink. We're your social guides on board. I'm like the host of Top Chef. I wear the cute outfit and I connect you to the expert. This is advanced work. This is 4 years of education right here. That's 4 years. Good. There you go.
And how much experience?
Very little experience. Very little. Who was dragged here against their will?
I drug myself here.
It's okay. This is a safe space. Blink twice if you need help. You're gonna be good. We're converting you today. We're here for tequila. Can you give it up for the beautiful Sophie? We also have an incredible bartender here, the incredible Maddie. Give it up for Maddie. I'm here to Pink Agave. This is the man behind the drinks. But yes, we here. Pink Agave. How many people have been to Pink Agave? Perfect. Well, we made plans. It'll happen later in the voyage. You have to come here. It's amazing. It's my favorite restaurant here on board. It competes with Galley.
As well, some fun facts and history concerns that we have in the production, aging process, for what is made, etc., etc. So actually, everything started with coconut. Oh, it's not coconut. It started with pulque. So the pulque was actually low fermented beverage made from sap from agave plant. So this was pulque, and it was like milky color, you see, transparent. So why was the pulque very important in Mexico? So it was like used for some special occasions. You get married, you get pulque. You get divorced, more
All right, tonight's dinner is egg.
Gumby.
I'm gonna go
Tonight's
gumby.
dinner is at Gumby, and we're doing Korean barbecue. So come join us.
Okay, end of day 2, and it is 11 o'clock
Yeah.
p.m.
Yeah, day 2 recap. So we did a lot today. Okay, so we started off the morning, we did the breakfast, you saw us, we went to the aft and hung out over the pool deck, we watched the pickleball,
Gosh, it was a long day.
it was a long day.
That seems like so long ago.
Yeah. And then we had some lunch at the dock side where we had the little tapas for lunch because we didn't want to overeat. And then
Right. I did a tequila tasting. I think tequila
Paul
tasting
did
in
a
history.
tequila tasting, and we went to. I know we're forgetting a lot of what we did.
Game show, where the I guess your partner's.
Oh yeah, we went to the game show
Yes.
thing. That was before dinner, and then we went to dinner at Gun Bay, which was really fun, by the way. And we found out
It
that
was really
Gun
good.
Bay means cheers,
Mhm.
and they
They
taught
made a
us
drinking game.
a drinking game at dinner, which was actually funny. And the food was really good there. I really enjoyed the food.
It was good.
And then we came back, and afterwards we went to the stargazing thing, and
Oh,
then
right.
we
that was
went.
interesting, relaxing.
Yeah, and then we went
Kind
to
of a
the
thing.
dual reality show that we just went to, which was really sort of a Cirque du Soleil thing, story. kind of thing, but really
Surprisingly
talented.
good.
Yeah, really talented people there. It was like some of the stuff they were doing, I was like, wow. So that was enjoyable. And
What else today?
we won at the casino again for a little while. We forgot
right.
that. What else did we do?
Today they had to helo pick up somebody
yeah,
from
so-
Key West. So we changed directions.
Mhm.
We went back to Key West, where somebody got airlifted off. I'm not sure what happened. Somebody got sick or whatever it was. So, but they had to send somebody back to the States. And then now, with that, we're no longer going to our original plan.
Yeah, I'm
Tomorrow,
kind of
instead of
about that.
Costa Maya, we go to Cozumel.
Cozumel for the day. Then we go to Costa Maya. We're skipping Roatan, Honduras, and then we're going to Bimini. So I'm kind of bummed because I've never been to Roatan.
Right.
And I don't know if it's on any of our other cruises this year, so I'm going to have to look that up. I know Cozumel is, though. But anyway, so, shit happens.
Happens, yeah.
Yeah, it happens. So at least I hope the person's well, and it seems like they were, so...
Yep.
That's actually the good news. So our schedule's a little changed, but so tomorrow we'll be in Cozumel, and we signed up for some helmet diving, or helmet trekking, sea trekking.
Since we had to make a
see what
change.
see what that's going to be like. So anyway,
That's tomorrow.
that's a wrap for day 2, and we'll see you tomorrow.
All right. Good night, guys.